This mini PC can replace your server? Meet the WTR Pro Ryzen 7 5825U Beast. NAS plus 4K power. Ever feel like your tech setup is holding you hostage? Like you're stuck juggling a Frankenstein of half-working drives, glitchy software, and a so-called media server that crashes every time your cat sneezes? You're not alone. Between limited storage, laggy processing, and systems that feel like they were coded in 2009, the frustration is real. Every moment spent troubleshooting instead of creating, working, or streaming is a moment lost. Whether you're a content creator, home lab tinkerer, or just someone tired of spinning beach balls and buffering, you deserve gear that works with you, not against you. Admit it. Your current setup is a hot mess. Now amplify that mess. Imagine you're on a tight deadline, your media project needs finishing, your VMs are crashing, and your NAS just randomly dropped off the network, again. Your fans scream louder than your stress, your editing stutters, and your backups fail mid-transfer. The dream of a smooth, pro-level setup is crushed by outdated hardware and a spaghetti cable nightmare. You start wondering if you're cursed, or just chronically under-equipped. Meanwhile, opportunities are slipping past, that viral video, the client pitch, the perfect home streaming experience. Burnout creeps in. Your DIY setup suddenly feels like DIY. The heck do I do this to myself? Enter the AOO Star WTR Pro AMD Ryzen 7 5825U Mini PC, aka your new digital command center. This 4-bay beast is part NAS, part mini PC, part productivity wizard. With 8 cores and 16 threads, 64GB RAM, dual NVMe, and support for up to 88TB of storage, it's basically the Swiss Army knife of tech setups. Stream 4K video like butter. Run true NAS, Unraid, or even multiple VMs with swagger. All while staying whisper quiet and cool under pressure thanks to its 12cm fan and industrial design. Need to edit, virtualize, or simply chill with Jellyfin? This thing eats tasks for breakfast. Finally, a setup that feels as powerful as you do. Let's talk perks. You've got 3-screen 4K support, high-speed 2.5G LAN ports, ultra-fast DDR4 dual-channel RAM, and a surprisingly sleek, compact design. It's plug-and-play but built for power users. Whether you're building a home lab empire, setting up Plex for the fam, or just want reliable performance for everyday tasks, this rig has your back. And hey, if you're still stuck debating specs, don't sweat it. Scroll down, hit the link, and check out how the WTR Pro stacks up IRL. See the reviews, the benchmarks, and the community reactions for yourself. This isn't hype. It's hardware done right. Time to stop waiting for your setup to magically work itself out. The WTR Pro Ryzen 7 5825U Mini PC is flying off shelves for a reason, and at under $500, it's a steal. Join thousands of home labbers, creators, and smart pros who already made the switch. Don't let this powerhouse slip away. Inventory moves fast, especially with NAS Compare, and Reddit raving about it. So act now. Click the link, grab yours, and unleash your inner tech ninja. This is your chance to upgrade from chaos to command. Don't snooze. Own the rig. Rule the network. Be the boss.